Hi guys, as you can see I own a V70 Series 2, and this morning by waiting to make some fuel I found my fuel cap blocked, and so I was a bit stressed because I had only 80-kilometer range. I found a way to open it manually without removing all the panel inside. In the V70 compared to the S60, S80, you have this insulation foam, and the actuator is at the back of that. So the clue is to put your hand under this insulation, and for that you have to remove this little clip. Obviously you will not have tools because you're in the middle of nowhere, just your nail, really short nail like me, and so you have to pinch this clip by going up. Hold it because it could fall down and you're dead. And you can put your hand under the insulation to reach the actuator pin that you will bring to you. You just slide the actuator pin manually to unlock the fuel cap. And now so you can fill up your tank to go back home and watch the video about how to repair a fuel cap door on the Volvo V70. Everything on the description, guys. Cheers!